Welcome to SED 391, Current Laws and Initiatives. The first thing that we will cover is the weekly checklist. SED 391 will be your home base to locate your checklists and activities that are to be completed each week. Each week will open on a Friday, so you can see what is to be completed for the week ahead. The next thing we will cover are the online modules. There are 5 online modules in SED 391. The titles of these modules are Laws and Current Initiatives, Eligibility and Disability Categories, IEP Development Part 1, IEP Development Part 2, and Specific Learning Disability and Response to Intervention paperwork. Each module will be completed asynchronously and independently. Once all of the activities for the specific topic of the week have been completed, the culminating quiz activity will be open and available. Each quiz is due by 10 p.m. on Sunday evenings. The next topic will be the essential application for SED 391. This essential application is the IEP project, and it is split into 2 different portions, the IEP group portion and the IEP individual portion. First, we will discuss the IEP group portion. Each group will be assigned a case study of a learner with a disability who has not yet been made eligible. Each group will meet and collaborate to complete 3 pieces of documentation: the documentation of evaluation results page, the eligibility determination page, and the present levels of academic achievement and functional performance page, which is also known as the PLAF. The IEP group project portion is submitted on ReggieNet in SED 391 by group and is worth 20 points. Your instructor will have already preloaded your groups onto ReggieNet. One person from your group will go ahead and submit it on ReggieNet. The instructor will grade and give feedback, and it will be released to all of your group members. The next portion of the IEP project is the IEP individual portion. Once the group portion has been completed, each student will independently complete the remainder of the paperwork for the IEP. This includes the conference summary report, 2 goal pages with a minimum of 2 objectives per goal, the educational accommodations and supports page, and the educational services and placement pages. The individual portion will be submitted on ReggieNet by 10 p.m. on the Sunday outlined on the due date calendar. The individual portion is worth 40 points. Once both the group and the individual portions have been graded, those scores will be combined for each candidate for a total score out of 60 and will count as 40% of your grade in SED 391. The last piece of the IEP project is the mock IEP meeting. Once the individual portions have been submitted, groups will get back together to collaborate on creating one IEP for their case study learner to present in a 10-minute mock IEP meeting. Coordinators will be the acting parents, guardians of the case study learner in the meeting. Each team member will be eligible to earn up to 5 points for their knowledge and their performance during the meeting. Group members will also rate each other on their collaboration and contributions to the group. The last piece that I want to talk about in SED 391 are the module activities. Throughout the semester, there will be module activities that are completed. These activities will be graded on a 5-point scale as noted below. Module activities comprise 30% of your grade in SED 391. Module activities will come with their own specific due dates. Please do not assume that they are due on Sundays at 10 p.m. like most of the items in Field Base. Please also note the 5-point scale that is included below in terms of how you will be graded for these module activities. This concludes our learning on SED 391. Should you have any questions, please drop them in the question box below this video on SED 391. Thank you.